In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add indicators on TC2000. If you're just getting started with technical analysis or you're refining your charting workflow, this will help you quickly find where to access the full library of indicators inside the platform and set yourself up with confidence. First, make sure you're looking at a chart inside TC2000. When I say open your chart, I mean have a price chart visible on your screen for the symbol you want to analyze. If you already have multiple windows or layouts, confirm that a chart is the active window so your changes apply to the right place. Indicators live on the chart you're working with, so being on the correct symbol and time frame helps you see the effects clearly once you add them. Before we click anything, a quick word on what indicators are and why this matters. Indicators are tools that help you interpret price and volume data, things like moving averages, relative strength, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. They don't predict the future, but they can highlight trends, momentum, and potential areas of support and resistance. The key is to add them thoughtfully so your chart stays readable and aligned with your trading plan. Now, to access the full list of indicators, look toward the top of your chart for a control labeled Add Plot to Chart. This is your gateway to the Add Indicator menu. Go ahead and click Add Plot to Chart. When you do, TC2000 opens a menu that organizes indicators by type and name. You'll typically see categories based on trend, momentum, volatility, and volume, among others. This menu is where you browse, learn, and decide what best suits your chart. Take a moment to get familiar with how this menu is structured. Many traders find it helpful to read the brief descriptions next to each indicator to understand what it measures and how it typically behaves. Some items include customizable parameters like look-back periods or smoothing types, which can be adjusted later to match your style. If you're unsure which direction to go, remember that simpler is often better. Start with one or two well-understood tools and build from there as you gain experience. If the button placement looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Layouts and versions can vary. The wording Add Plot to Chart and its position at the top of the chart are consistent cues to look for. That's all there is to opening the Add Indicator menu. From here, you're ready to explore, study the available options, and make informed choices that enhance your analysis while keeping your charts clean and purposeful.